You have 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons sugar, add 1 cup milk, lukewarm, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1, 2, 3, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1, 2, mix. Add the 3 and 1/4 cups of flour, half teaspoon of salt, the mix. Spread the oil on the surface here, what you can knead your dough. Transfer the dough here. We have one cup of Monggo here. And let's cook this. This time, mag-add tayo ng brown sugar, 3/4. This time, we add the breadcrumbs, sweet breadcrumbs. You can find my video on how to make it. It is very simple. This is done and set aside. Now over yung time, the time is almost 2 hours. Ito na siya. We divide it into 2. See? Then have to spread the Monggo in the middle. But it's okay. You have to spread it. So we have to roll this. Starting from here. I forgot to put the oil. So we have to seal the edge. So it's cut in the middle. You see, and seal this side. And let's put it here, like this. We have 2 loaves here. Loaf. Let it rest for 10 minutes. And we have to put the egg white or Eggwash. You can use Eggwash. And this is just egg white. And bake for 16 to 20 minutes. Final result.